going on, y'all? Right now, I'm headed to the car wash to get this bad baby cleaned up. It's freezing cold outside, but the car needs to be washed, so I'm headed to the car wash. It's freezing cold, but I gotta get this content for y'all. I have to stay consistent, so I'm gonna get some content for y'all. What they doing up there? Hey man, what y'all doing up there? What y'all doing? Hey man, what you doing, man? What you doing? That bitch sound good. Sound good. Yeah, sound good. Okay, I will turn you back on when I'm pulling up to the car wash. Alright guys, I'm pulling up to the car wash now. This is the best car wash. In my opinion, it's the best car wash around town. Pull it up. Good, I ain't nobody here. Oh, I'm gonna hit that pole. I ain't wanna hit that pole. Shut up. Oh, I will turn you back on when I get ready to wash it. He got that scat in that bit. Ooh. Yeah. 392. At 392. Huh? Hey, that's that wolf. Hey, that's that real wolf. Hey. Hey, no. Hey, no, but everybody got that bit. Hey, everybody got that bit. Oh, chill out. Hey, y'all putting the bitches on. Right. Hey, you have to get right one time.
I'm over some white ones. Put the bitches on.
Yeah, just hit me up. Put the bitch on. You said? Scat motherfucker. Yeah. You know I got the SS motherfucker there. He better hit that bitch too. Hey, you better hit